We only have 43 minutes and 56 seconds left. Hi guys, welcome to my walkthrough, part 51 for Cooking Mama Cook-Off, the video game. I am JVD Gamer. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make lamb curry. But thanks again for watching. I hope you guys enjoy it. See you later. In the challenge mode, walkthrough part 51, challenge lamb curry, okay? I want to redo it, so. We're going to chop up onions, garlic, and we're going to do minced peppers. I'm sorry, green bell peppers. I apologize. We almost didn't make it, and we cut up lamb. So in the turmeric powder, we're going to put black pepper, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, and, and salt. Last but not least, so. Bell peppers, onions, garlic, and lamb. I'm not really sure why it comes with the tortillas. The way it comes. Not really sure why. I just know that's how it comes. So. Salt. Add the salt. Turn the heat up to medium. So, then we're going to add the grated ginger. Then we're going to turn it up to high heat. Again, the season 2 finale. Oh, and we added L'Oreal. Again, the L'Oreal. Again, the last... the season 2 finale walkthrough will be coming next week again on Tuesday. Just so you all know, okay? Then we're going to add the canned tomato. Then we're going to stir it and then add the last and final ingredient, last but not least, coconut milk. Now, I know what you're thinking. Coconut milk? Okay, I'm okay with that. And for the flour, we're going to add butter and water. And I think we're either going to need for this one. Yeah, we're going to need. Oh, come on. It's okay to get a good on that one. So. That's how we make the tortillas, you guys. Again, I'm not sure why this recipe has tortillas, but... Then we're going to turn the heat up to medium. Low heat! And then we're going to turn it back. And then we're going to turn the heat up to medium. And then turn it over one more time. So, excellent. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this. And we did it. Great job, Jerry. Let's see if it improved our score. 7 very goods, 3 goods, and 1,076 points. That's a very good job. Thanks for watching. See you guys all in the next walkthrough. Peace out, fans, and see you guys all later. Adios, fans.